by yourself. If you wanna go far, walk with someone else. Right by my side, I got my tribe right by my side. Right by my side, I keep my tribe right by my side. They say to raise a kid, it take a village. That's the way it's been and the way it still is. It don't matter if you're broke or making millions. You need the real ones, the folks, never faking feelings. It's obvious now, this problem's is out. We gotta evolve and fight to be the top of the pile. For the king of the hill, that crown gets so heavy. It's lonely at the top and hard to hold steady. Power-hungry fantasies cause insanity. It's family that gives you power like Stan Lee. Not a cow, but a stampede, understand me? Cause when your head's in the clouds and you can't see, that's when you fall for that old trick, divide and conquer. But multiply with that many times stronger. I got a team, so my dream's gonna last longer. And I don't fall for the schemes from fast talkers. If you wanna go fast, walk by yourself. If you wanna go far, walk with someone else. Right by my side, I got my tribe right by my side. Right by my side, I keep my tribe right by my side. Life happens in cycles, circles like vinyl. First to the final, staying tribal always works for survival. So I don't stifle that urge cause it's primal. Human beings don't work alone, take you and me. Add 2 or 3 more, now you got community. Add 4 or 5, the tribe grows beautifully. The song of unity, I sing along fluently. Different strokes for different folks, but when we roll different boats, it gets difficult. When we band together and stand together, we can make a city-state or planet better. Mental syndromes that break us down by skin tone should have been gone. And in the past, like Flintstones, we sing songs to wake you up like ringtones. We're one tribe and unified, we're strong like King Kong. If you wanna go fast, walk by yourself. If you wanna go far,